Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'd like to do another appetizer for your Thanksgiving series. Okay, so we're going to be frying fried plantains today. A plantain looks like a banana, and this looks like it's rotten, doesn't it? But it's not. You'll see when I open it, it's hard on the inside. It has to look really rotten, like 3 times as dark as this before it's actually ripe. You can cook them either way. When they're not ripe like that we're going to do today, and when they're ripe. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to make it not hard. How about that, huh? Okay, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, check out my links below if you'd like to support me. Join me, would you? Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I already cut up one plantain, as you can see right here. So I'm going to show you how we peel it and cut up the next one. So you're going to cut each end off, okay? Then you're just going to come right down the middle so that you can make an opening so you can peel the peeling off. And it's hard because it is not ripe. Okay, so you just keep working until you can get it off. You can hear how hard it is. Let me let you hear that. You hear that? You almost have to pry it off. And we're going to be frying them in the deep fryer. So you know, if this was, and plantain to me is in the banana family, okay? Okay, so now I'm going to cut it in an angle. You can cut it any way you want, but that's what I'm going to do. So we're going to cut slices about that thick, and it's still hard, see? Very hard. Can't push down on it. Very hard. Okay, now our oil should be ready. I have some olive oil in the deep fryer. So let's put them in. I'm going to put one in for a test. Yep, it's ready. So I'll do 2 batches so that the oil don't drop in the temperature. So what we're going to do is we're going to fry them first, and then I'm going to take them out. And this is a can that you can see I put plastic wrap around. I'm going to use the bottom of the can to push down on the plantain to smash it down. And then you refry them. So it's a 2-part process. Okay? Okay. Okay, while that's cooking, why don't I give you the word of the day? The word of the day. The word of the day is money. Money. It could be a stress reliever. It could be a stress headache. It could be a crisis. It could be plentiful. You just never know. I do know one thing, that you never know what's going to come up that requires you to spend money. So when you think you have life all figured out, and you think you got your bills all figured out, be prepared for the unexpected. Money. You just never know when you're going to need it and when it's going to bless you. That's the word of the day. Money. Are you saving for the rainy day or are you splurging? Let me know. Okay, that's it. Okay, so I'm going to take them out. They've been cooking for about, I would say, 5 minutes. So we're going to take our can and we're going to just smash down on it. You wouldn't have been able to do this if you cooked them like they were hard. When you cook them, it helps soften them up so that you can smash them down. So let me show you what that looks like. Okay. And then we're going to refry them. Okay, I'm going to put the others in. Okay, now let's smash these down. That's what we're looking like right now. Looks like potato chips, huh? Okay. Alright, so we're waiting on the others to cook, and then once they cook, we're going to smash them, and then we're going to put these back in to cook some more. Okay? Yeah, we're fried plantains. How about that, huh? That would be a great appetizer. You know, you can put like a bed of lettuce on a plate and put them on. Maybe you want some, I don't know, some strawberries or something around the bed of lettuce. Can you imagine that? Now that would be interesting, wouldn't it? I think your guests would like that. Okay, we're going to give that about 3 minutes to fry. Thank you. Okay, so the plantains came to the top of the oil. That's when you know that they're done. So we're going to take those out, smash them down like we did the others. Okay, and then while we're smashing those down, let's put these back in. Okay, we got those down. Now we're going to smash these down. Okay. Okay, they're almost ready to come out in about 1 second. I'm gonna put this mesh on, which just came from my air fryer, to catch the oil. When they're done, you're gonna see not only do they come to the top, but they're gonna have like a nice crispness to it on the outside. Oh, here's one I didn't smash. I'll have to smash that one. Okay, we're going to put these in. Look at that, guys. Can you imagine that at your table? Oh, stop. Oh, that would be awesome, awesome. Okay, I'm just flipping them over. Okay, that quick, I'm taking them out. You see that? As soon as you see that they like swell up a little bit in size and they come to the top and they got a little brownness to them. It's going to be like a yellow brownness. It's not going to turn brown. But you can see highlights of the brownness on it. Okay, I can cut this off. Look at that, guys. Oh, let me plate it up and taste a piece for you. Would you let me do that? Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, let's make a dipping sauce to go with our fried plantains, okay? You know, whatever you have in the house, be creative. So I have some honey barbecue sauce. I have some ketchup. It doesn't matter how much you put in. You're being creative. Some honey. Balsamic vinaigrette. So it's really balsamic vinegar. Okay, balsamic vinegar. Okay, we're going to mix that up. That's what it's looking like so far. So let me taste. I like it. The balsamic vinegar toned down the sweetness, but it's still a little sweet where you can enjoy it. Okay, so let me do the setup and show you. Bring that to your table. Huh? How about that? Looks pretty good, right? Okay, let me take a taste. Okay, guys, let's take a taste, shall we? The fried plantain tastes like sweet potato, actually. It really does. With or without the sauce. All your guests will love this. And guess how much they cost? 2 for $1. 2 for $1, you could make a home run. Okay, guys, that's it. We did it. It was great, great, great. You got to do the fried plantains. Love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.